Roam 2. All right, so this is a USB-C chargeable device. I would play music, but if I play music, it'll get flagged and this video won't work. They really upgraded this one. Now you have an on and off button, which is really nice. And from the Roam 1 and the Roam 2, this on and off button is like completely different and way better. On the first one, it like had no feedback, so you didn't know if it was on or off. But you have an indicator here, so you know it's on. And also, not only did they make the on and off button better, but they also added this other button. So this is a Bluetooth button. So the other one, you'd always have to like kind of guess, hey, is it in Bluetooth? Is it not? This one has a button that you press and then you know it's in Bluetooth mode. I couldn't tell you how many times on this Roam 1 where I couldn't even get the Bluetooth to turn on. It was just so frustrating. So to have that Bluetooth button on there is definitely a welcomed addition. This is the Sonos Roam 2.